Hey everybody, I hope you are having a fabulous day. It is absolutely gorgeous here in the Ozarks. The temperature is perfect and it's a great day for playing the guitar. So this lesson I am working out of the Guitar Method rhythm book, and we're going to go over some more switching. It was requested that I do one of my videos over again, but at a slower pace. So I'm going to do this in a slower pace, and but you'll still have the video where it's sped up at a faster pace for you to work off of. So it's always good to start off slow and get a little faster and a little faster. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start off very slow at about a 50 beats per minute, and then we'll bump it up to about 60, and after 60 you should be able to jump into the other video that I have already uploaded and be able to play along with that speed. And right now we're not really concerned about speed, we're concerned about accuracy and going from one chord to the other, getting your fingers in the right frets, on the right strings, and positioned in the right spot behind the fret line. So the Guitar Method rhythm book, and we're going to be on lesson 3. We're going to be working with our E, A, and D chords. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is, I've got my trusty keyboard here, so instead of a metronome, we're going to play along to a very slow rock beat. So it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now we're just going to strum a straight down strum. And we're going to start with our A chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to A. Now E. Back to D. Back to A. 5 strings. Now E. 6 strings. Now D. 4 strings. Back to A, end on 1 strum. Okay, let's do that again. And we're going to keep it at the same tempo. And we're just going to do our chords in a little bit different order. So I'm going to call them out to you, but we're going to bounce back and forth a couple of times to each one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, start on A, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch to E. 5, 6, 7, back to A. Back to E. Now D. 4 strings. Now A. Now E. And on A, one strum. Okay, so that should get you started on a much slower pace and give you a chance to switch back and forth. But the results are going to be the same. So as you play, even though you're playing slower, you are going to see how you speed up and how much quicker you get with your fingers going to the right place. You got to get that muscle memory going. So again, like I said before in the other video, first couple times through, it may take you 6 to 7 strums to get the fingering for the next chord, and then it'll take you 5 strums, 4 strums, all the way down to where you can do it in just one switch. So that is your goal, to go from however many strums it's taken you to get to the next chord. You want to get it down to where as soon as I say switch to A, you switch to A. There's no pause or hesitation. So have fun with this. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and I hope it is where you're at. And it's always a beautiful day to play guitar.